What month is it?
It's March.
What year is this?
It's 2026.
What time is it now?
It's 3:15.
When is your birthday?
It's on May 20th.
When did you arrive?
I arrived yesterday.
How long will you stay?
I'll stay for a week.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on Sunday.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7:30.
How long does it take?
It takes 2 hours.
When is the deadline?
The deadline is tomorrow.
What date is it?
It's Wednesday.
Is today a holiday?
No, it's a regular day.
What does it look like?
It's small and round.
What color is it?
It's bright red.
How big is it?
It's about this size.
Is it heavy?
No, it's quite light.
Is it new or old?
It's brand new.
What's it made of?
It's made of plastic.
How does it work?
You press this button.
What's it for?
It's for opening bottles.
Is it expensive?
No, it's very cheap.
Where did you get it?
I got it at the store.
Can I see it?
Yes, here it is.
That's interesting.
Yes, isn't it?
Do you have a car?
No, I take the bus.
How do you get to work?
I walk to work.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Where's the bus stop?
It's across the street.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
How long have you worked there?
For 2 years.
Do you like your job?
Yes, most of the time.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
Do you work part-time?
Yes, only on weekends.
Do you have a break?
Yes, I have lunch at noon.
How's work today?
It's very busy today.
Are you looking for a job?
Yes, I'm searching now.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing jeans and a shirt.
That's a nice dress.
Thank you very much.
Where did you get that?
I bought it online.
I like your shoes.
Thanks, they're new.
What size do you need?
I need a size small.
Does this fit?
Let me try it on.
It's too big.
Do you have a smaller size?
It's too small.
Try the next size up.
What color do you like?
I like the red one.
This looks good on you.
Thank you.
You look nice today.
That's very kind of you.
Could you help me with this?
Of course.
Would you mind closing the window?
Not at all.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, here you go.
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, it's down the hall.
Could you pass me the salt?
Here you are.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Could you speak up, please?
Sorry, I'll speak louder.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
I think it's a good idea.
I agree with you.
Do you agree?
Yes, I think so too.
I'm not sure about that.
Why not?
I don't think so.
That's okay, we can disagree.
You're right.
Thank you.
Maybe you're right.
Let's think about it.
I have a different opinion.
That's fine.
I'm against that.
Can you explain why?
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 9:30.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Which bus goes to downtown?
Bus number 42.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Do I need to transfer?
Yes, change at Central Station.
Where do I buy tickets?
At the ticket machine.
Is there a parking lot nearby?
Yes, behind the building.
The bus is late.
It should be here soon.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms do you have?
I have 3 rooms.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, I do.
Is your house big?
No, it's quite small.
Do you rent or own?
I rent.
How much is the rent?
It's $800 per month.
Do you have a garden?
No, but I have a balcony.
What floor do you live on?
I live on the third floor.
Do you have neighbors?
Yes, very nice neighbors.
Is your apartment furnished?
Yes, it came with furniture.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's very quiet.
Is it close to public transportation?
Yes, very close.
How do you feel?
I feel great, thanks.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I feel a bit sick.
I have a cold.
You should rest.
I'm tired.
You should go to bed early.
Are you stressed?
Yes, a little bit.
I'm worried about the test.
Don't worry, you'll do well.
I'm happy today.
That's wonderful.
I'm excited.
What are you excited about?
I'm sad.
What happened?
I'm nervous.
Try to relax.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better, thank you.